In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up account on EA. For this, I'll show you how we can do it on our Windows computer. First, you need to go ahead and install EA program here by visiting the Visual EA website, where you can go ahead and download then install this on your computer. Once you have installed EA, now to create an account, go ahead and click on create an account. But if you already have an account, just go ahead and enter your email or EA ID, then click on next. For my case, I don't have an account, so I'll go ahead and click on create account. And here you can use one of your existing accounts or start from the beginnings. So if you have any account from these platforms, you can use them. So I'll go ahead, enter my details here, click on next, enter my email address, and then choose whether you want to be emailed about EA products, news and events, and also promotions. For my case, I'll not check it because I don't want those messages. And finally, we have a code, a verification code that has just been sent to that email. I'll go ahead and enter the code and click on next to proceed. Now here we need to go ahead and choose an EA ID and then password. For the ID, you're told this is how your friend can find you in the EA app or in EA games. Your EA ID must have between 4 to 16 characters long. So I'll go ahead and just enter mine like that. I'll enter the password. Once you're done, go ahead and check this. I have read and accept the user agreement and EA privacy and cookie policy. Finally, go ahead and click on create account. And by doing so, your account will have been created. And now the app has been launched. My account now is set up and ready for use. So I can go ahead and find out any games and download them. So that's how you can set up your EA account on your computer. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.